rural Jamaica, rural Jamaica, rural Jamaica. Calling everybody living in rural Jamaica. If you are living in the rural part of Jamaica, or if you have family members living in the rural part of Jamaica and you want to buy items from overseas and send it down to them, we are your shipping company that is going to make that possible. You see the X mark the spot. Guys, if you are living in rural Jamaica, you do have a shipping company. You not have to worry yourself. You not have to come into Kingston to pick up any packages. We send your packages down via Knoxford Express. You go inside Knoxford Express AC offices, go pick up your packages. You don't need to pay anything extra. Just walk with your ID, pick up your packages. So guys, if you're living in rural Jamaica, or if you're a Jamaican living overseas and you have family members living in rural Jamaica, look here, you can get items to them. We have an exclusive partnership with Knoxford Express. We ship the items from the US for you, and then we bring them down to Knoxford, and your family member can pick them up at the closest Knoxford Express location. And as me say, it's an exclusive partnership. You're going there with your ID, you don't need no money. Go in there, pick up your items, and voila, that is it. Simple as that. So guys, there's a link here. Click on the link, join us today. You see that big old 50-inch TV there? That was shipped from overseas, and we sending it down with Knoxford Express so the customer can go pick it up. And as I said, they don't need to pay no money when they reach Knoxford. They just need to work with the ID. So guys, click on the link. If you're in Jamaica, in rural Jamaica, this is your shipping company. Go ahead, click on the link, or if you're overseas and you want to send items to your family member down in a country, you found us. Click on the link, join us today, get your items shipped and delivered. Pick it up at Knoxford, all of rural Jamaica. Big up on yourself. Somebody pick some mango, somebody cut some cane, pick 2 sour sap, 2 sweet sap. Me soon forward. Alright, love you no much, enough respect. Click on the link, join us today. Later guys.